Geographic fields can be, the first option is discrete only, then second is continuous only, then we have discrete or continuous, then none of the above. So what is the correct answer, you think? Yes, geographic fields can be discrete and can be continuous. They can be both. Geographic fields are basically the geographic representation for the natural phenomena, and it will have a value everywhere. So even if you talk about Earth or different galaxy, there will be geography, there will be land or maybe water or maybe mountains, craters. So geographic fields can be discrete as well as continuous also. Discrete means there are breaks, defined boundaries or places. Continuous is no break. So geographic fields can be discrete because it has a pattern of regions with homogeneous value. For example, if you have a water and there is a land near to it, the water will have a region and it has homogeneous values. For example, a land where you are growing something, say paddy, and there some place you are also growing paddy. So these are discrete, but they are growing paddy. So they have the homogeneous value. There may be region and there is a separation. There is a boundary between them or a transition zone. But please remember, this has to be naturally occurring only. And they are divided into mutually exclusive parts. For example, a place where or a agricultural land where you grow the same thing and in 4 parts. So area is divided into mutually exclusive parts and all location in parts have the same field value. That is, you assume it to be a function which gives you, take certain value in return of giving you certain value. For example, if you take a mountain, separate mountain, you want to find out the value of the elevation, give us the location, you will get a elevation value. So there can be 2 mountains in different places and these are discrete, but still they are naturally occurring and they will give you the values at every point. For example, the land cover types, the soil class and the surface geologic formation. You see in this picture also, this is land cover type. The same area can have forest, the same area can be barren lands sometime. So this can be called as discrete values, say of different years, or different climate condition. So this is the discrete example of the naturally occurring geographic field and which gives you value everywhere whenever you point out. So the continuous means that you are having the geographic field and there is no break, it's naturally occurring and the field value changes gradually over the space because it is continuous. For example, the water starts from Gangotri, goes up to the Bay of Bengal. Every point the water will change its color, its texture, its content. So the field value of water, for example, the water say feature or the salinity of water, it will change. The field values will change gradually over space. The water will start from one point, end at one point. There will be no breaks. So that is why it is not discrete at that time. So the temperature and the soil moisture is an example of continuous because the temperature will be different.